Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you a pretty decent product for the UK marketplace. I was going to go for it myself, but I decided against doing that, and I'm going to reveal why at the end of the video, so make sure you do watch until the end. Also, I will be giving away a free coaching call with me. All you have to do to enter the draw that I will pick at random is to like the video, comment on the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you can, and I'll pick you at random. Anyway guys, let's get straight into the video. So, what is the product? That'll be the first question that you want to know. But before that, I just want to say why I'm revealing this. I can remember when I was first starting out that you use the softwares and whatnot, and you do what everyone else teaches you, and ultimately you just get the same results for a while. You know, in the week you might scroll through Jungle Scout, for example, and just find the same products. But when you just shift your mentality a little bit and think about what you're searching for and why you're searching for it, you can find opportunities that are sort of hidden, and this is a decent example, I think. What is the product, guys? The product are squishies, and I don't know what the fuck they are. If someone could please tell me what they are, I'd appreciate it, but they are selling like crazy currently. Look at this. These are just some listings that I thought I'd put in the product tracker just to show you guys. Over £800 in revenue there per day, that is on average. As you can see, this is quite consistent. High revenues. If they're getting 30% profit on that, that's very decent. What's that? 188. That's still very decent. Times that by 31, you know, you're doing decent. Especially 800 times that by 31, 30% profit on that. That is good. So guys, how do you find this product? And I just want to show you that, because if you were to search this on amazon.co.uk, the first instinct was it was a bad product, and I want to show you why. So when you go on to, this is the first page. This is the first page numbers. So price is really low, and you know, you'd never sell a product at this price, 40 cents, £1.23. But I went onto the American marketplace, which is here, and one thing I noticed was there was a lot of bundles, multi-packs, and they raised their price. See here, for example, $15.99, $108,000 per month, and this is pretty consistent. Those who have raised their prices have bundled the product. Let's have a look here. See, for example, so then I went back to the UK market and I thought, okay, let me look at the first 5 pages and see if there's anyone bundling this product, and let's see the success they're doing. So $9.99, that is a higher price than others. 12k revenue. $9.99 again. Okay, here $12.99, that's decent. 19 grand per month, 56 reviews. Again here, £18,000 revenue, 30 reviews. So it's very uncompetitive. And I'm going to show you the next 5 pages, because there are many sellers that are bundling this product, raising the price and killing it. So what I want to mention is the opportunity here is there's an opportunity to raise the price. There's massive demand. I mean, just look at that demand, which is consistent for the first 5 pages, which I'll show you now. And that's quite rare for the UK because the market's so small. And another thing is that these sellers that are only selling it, say, for 84 cents, they're getting all these sales, and they don't even offer Amazon Prime service. So these sellers aren't eligible for Amazon Prime, and so you're going to outcompete with these guys purely for the fact that you're going to offer Amazon Prime, because these guys aren't, because of how low their price is. So there's a benefit actually in raising the price for yourself and for the customer. So like I mentioned, I went onto the Amazon.com marketplace, saw people were bundling. They were not selling just one unit, they were selling many and up in the price. So like I said, I looked on the first 5 listings to see if I could find any sellers that were doing this. Again, £14,000 per month, 25 reviews, which is very low, very uncompetitive. As you can see, this is a very uncompetitive marketplace. Again, £13,000 on average per month, 25 reviews. Then I went to the next page to see if I could see any more. Notice how the demand stays consistent. Again, £9,000 per month on average, 19 reviews. And again, we have £9,000 per month, 30 reviews, £6,000 per month, 10 reviews. This is very uncompetitive and this is good. The prices are being raised and they're still selling. There would be a problem if there were people raising the price and they weren't getting sales, but people are raising their price and they're still getting sales, and they're making more revenue than those that are selling at a lower price. Again, let's move on to page 4, I believe this is. £14,000 per month, 0 reviews. 9,000, 30, 8,000, 8 reviews. And I'm referring to the reviews, guys, because if you don't know, the lower the reviews, the better. It means it's very uncompetitive. And this is a really good sign. Again, we go on to page 5. And it's really surprising, but there's still people selling £9,000 in revenue, 11 reviews. This is extremely encouraging. And as you can see, there is still demand on the 5th page, albeit that's for a lower priced item. But the general idea that you get here is, okay, the main keyword was squishies, but there are people that are selling packs and they are doing well. So what happens when we type in, say for example, let's alter the main keyword, which would be squishies, to something like pack of squishies or squishies pack, and then you all of a sudden find a market, I guess you could call it a sub-market within a main market. And this is where a lot of people don't get to this stage because they simply see the main keyword, oh, there's no opportunity here, which if you do look at the first page, you could look at that and say, there, the price is too low. There's no money there. But as you can see, there are people, 30 reviews, 18k per month roughly on average. And I've backed this up by tracking the products. As you can see, for example, £17.85. As you can see, sales are consistently high. 38, that was a bit low. Maybe they ran out of stock. 12 there. Units sold 34, 34. We even had a, where was it, 97 there. So it's high on average. And that is the same for each and every one of these listings. You can check for yourself if you like. I've left the link to Jungle Scout in the description. If you have not bought it yet, you need to, if you're getting into Amazon private label FBA. So then, like I said, so we found out that packs are selling well. Bundles of packs of more than one squishy, whatever the fuck they are, I don't know. So then I typed in squishies pack, and as you can see, okay, we have a new keyword here called squishies pack. It's not squishy, we're now selling squishies pack. And as you can see, okay, here are these high sales. 30 reviews, 18k, 30 reviews, 9k. This is very encouraging, guys. 15k, 25 reviews, you get the point, okay? They're doing bundles, they're doing more than one, they're getting creative, and loads of these people, loads of sellers, loads of product researchers may have just typed in the first keyword that they could thought of, squishies, and say price is too low. The opportunity here is in raising the price and taking advantage of the massive demand. So like I said, you can use the US market to try and find these sort of opportunities because they tend to recognize these things before us and then they come over here. It was the same with the fidget spinner, and this is why now I'm talking about why I didn't go for this product, is that maybe it is a fad. The fidget spinner was a fad. Could this be a fad and just be a trend? Likelihood is I think it will, because I can't see this having any fucking purpose, say in 5 or 4 years time. And personally, I want to go for products that sell well, that will sell well for a long time. But that's not to say that this isn't an opportunity in itself, just to make a lot of money in the short term. For example, just look at this guy, for example, £18,000 per month. If he was making 30% profit margin on that, you can work that one out for yourself. It's a nice little earner. And say he does that for 5 months or 6 months or however long this fad is going to last. But one thing I would note is that Christmas is coming up. If these little kids who like these weird fucking things want more at Christmas, then these sales are going to resume until Christmas. And then who knows what happens next. It may not be a fad, guys. But I just wanted to show you this video because I got quite excited in, you know, this is how to think about product research. Just get a little bit creative. see what's selling in America, see if you can up the price by bundling the product, because this demand is really, really, really good for a UK product. And this is a product, this is an example of how you can just turn it into an opportunity that may not seem there at first and then turn it into something. So guys, all you need to do is launch this product, make £4,000 in revenue per month at 30% profit margin, and be earning 1.2k per month profit. It's really that simple when you break it down into things. So like I said guys, I just wanted to show you how to think about product research, what you can do to create new opportunities. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, remember I will be doing a giveaway. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching.